Hi, this is Don with the bad hair, with a few things to tell you that might help you and your birds about the coronavirus and its implications. One of the things that people often do when they first get a bird is bring them home and give them a bunch of attention for a couple of weeks or months and then let that attention fade. Later on, they have severe problems with their birds because of it. Most of us, hey Peach, nice aria. Most of us wouldn't feel good if we had a friend who gave us attention for a while and then just withdrew it. These guys are intelligent and they can't handle it. So this is just a short video to let you know that you need to give your birds some space. Don't give them more time now than you would give them in the future. If you give them a couple of hours of attention every day and then all of a sudden go back to work, you will have problems such as stereotypic behavior, where they'll start strobing the bars of their cage or acting strangely in their cage with repetitive motions. You can have... That's right, Peaches. You can have screaming, where your bird repetitively screams for hours on end, or you may actually cause them to bite. You know, not giving your wife or your husband a little attention can often end in divorce. I suggest leaving them in the cage for the normal amount of time, or increasing it a little if you know you can keep it up later, but don't overstimulate your birds for the time that you're in quarantine. So that's our word from the Chloe Sanctuary. Keep it in mind, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Science knowledge only adds to the excitement, the mystery, and the awe of a flower.
Evidence is evidence. It's public. Everybody can look at the evidence and assess it, and eventually, if there's enough evidence, come to the same conclusion.
The Chloe Sanctuary for Parrots and Cockatoos, a non-profit charity dedicated to the empowerment of captive parrots and public awareness.